Hello children, welcome to the class standard 8 computer science, and here let us start the first lesson named Macromedia Flash 1. So Macromedia Flash is a software to prepare multimedia presentation. Flash is used to prepare very beautiful animation movie. The animations on cartoon channels and some of the popular advertisements are prepared using Flash software. So you might have seen advertisements and animation movies in the televisions, and these are made using this type of Flash Macromedia. How to start? To start Flash program, click on Start All Programs, Macromedia Flash 8, or double click on the Flash 8 icon on desktop to start the program. So the icon of this program will be like this. So clicking on this icon on the desktop, we can start this program. So this is the main page of the program. When you start this program, you will get this one, and this is the timeline, this is the menu bar, toolbox, and this place is called stage, where we do the all activities. It's a color mixture, library panel, and property panel. So there are main parts are there, mainly stage, timeline, and panels. As I told already, this is the main stage or canvas where we do all the program. So this is grid. We can use grid to properly arrange different objects to be kept on the stage. How to get this grid? Click on View, Grid, Show Grid, or Control plus single inverted comma. When you press this one, you will get this grid. So this is to arrange the images on the stage in a proper line. This is the timeline where the play head is there, frame numbers are there, and current frame, elapsed time, frame per second, that is FPS are there. This is the timeline that we can see in the program. This is the toolbox. Selection tool shortcut is V, then free transform tool shortcut is Q, and just go through all the tools and their shortcuts. These are all very important tools, and you should know all the shortcuts, learn them. And one by one is explained here: pencil tool, pen tool, line tool, stroke, color, all these, just go through it. How to save the program? The Flash files on websites are in such a format which do not allow us to make any changes. The Flash animates on websites can only be viewed. Extension of such a file is a .swf. So those files have .swf can only be viewed. We can't make any changes. As usual, to save the file, click on File, Save, or press Ctrl S. The file will be saved. Other thing just to go through it. I don't think much explanation is necessary. Next, we will go straight away to the question answer part. First one, we have MCQs. See, number 1, which of the following is not a part of flash screen? C, monitor. 2, where the series of frames making animation is located? Answer is B, in timeline. 3, the red colored frame in timeline is known as what? A, play head. 4, in Flash, which panel shows the characteristics of selected tool? Answer is D, property panel. Number 5, by using which of the following the objects on stage can be arranged properly? Answer is A. Grid. Which flash menu is useful to put on or off any panel? Answer is A. Window. Number 7. In Flash, which shortcut key is used to select line tool? Answer is B. N. 8. In Flash, which tool is used to change the border color of any diagram? Answer is C. Stroke color. Number 9. In Flash, which options are shown at the bottom of the toolbox when we select brush tool? Answer is C, A and B. That is brush size, brush shape. Both are correct. So, in the C option is given A and B. So, this is the right answer. 10. In Flash, which of the following keys is used to deselect the diagram selected using selection tool? Answer is D. Escape key. Number 11. Which of the following tools is useful to insert text on Flash stage? Answer is A. Text. 12. Which of the following tool is used to stretch any diagram in Flash? Answer is B. Free transform. Number 13. Which flash tool is used to select the desired portion of a diagram? A. Lasso. 14. By which method a ready-made button can be inserted in Flash? C. Window, Common Libraries, button. Number 15. Which of the following Flash files cannot be modified? Answer B. .swf. 16. Which option of file menu is used to save Flash file with different format? Answer is A. Publish settings. 17. Which flash tool is used to fill color in any closed diagram? D. Paint bucket tool. 18. Which flash tool is used to change the border color of a diagram? Answer A. Ink bottle tool. 19. What do you see on the border of a diagram when it is selected using subselection tool of Flash? Answer B. Anchor points. 20. Using which flash tool we can give an effect where one color is slowly getting transformed into another color? C. Gradient tool. 21. Which flash tool is used to select a color from any ready-made diagram? Answer D. Eyedropper tool. 22. Which flash tool is used to move canvas in, up, down or left, right direction? Answer C. Hand tool. 23. What is the shortcut key for zoom tool in Flash? Answer is C. That means A also is correct, B also correct, and in the C option they are given A or B. So put it as C. 24. How many options are shown below the toolbox as we select zoom tool in Flash? Answer A. 2. 25. The Flash files on websites are found in which of the following formats? Answer C. .html. Children, we have few more question answers are there. Question 2, 3, 4. Give 2 points and answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Those question answers we will see in the next class. Write the answers in your notebook and learn them. Thank you.